These are everything that cozy winter mornings are made of. These are my Biscoff cinnamon rolls, and they are my definition of heaven on earth. They're pillowy soft and fluffy and sticky and gooey with those perfect golden caramelized edges. You get those swirls of a rich cinnamon cookie butter filling that gets gooey as they bake, and tucked inside those swirls are crushed Biscoff cookies for an extra layer of texture and flavor, finished with a lush cream cheese frosting that just melts into every fold, and as always served warm with a hot cup of coffee. Every bite feels like a warm little hug and just gets better and better.
To the stand mixer.